Hello, cryptocurrency traders. Josh Wally checking in with the Kings of Crypto, crypto technical analysis, news, and signals. Hey guys, I'm going to give you guys a quick lesson on how to set a stop loss on Binance. First off, head to www.binance.com. Now, their website is a little bit slow. Bitcoin is having an extremely red day today, which is why I will be setting a stop loss. First, we'll talk about why you would set a stop loss. The term is kind of self-explanatory. A stop loss is used to prevent you from losing money. Now, how this works is, say, Bitcoin's lowest price of the day is $10,139.97. If I wanted to set a stop loss below the lowest price of the day, then what I do is I scroll down to where it says limit, market, and stop limit. I click stop limit. Now, I want to sell if we come below $10,139.97. So I will put in my order at $10,139.47. So if it comes more than 50 cents below its previous lowest price of the day, then it will trigger my stop loss and it will automatically put an order out there to sell. Now I select where I want to put my order to sell. Say if I think that once we get through the low of the days, we will get a bounce higher, I could go ahead and set my stop loss to sell at $10,379. That is an extremely risky practice because if we continue straight down and we do not get a bounce higher before continuing downwards, then you will not be exited out of your position and your loss will not be stopped, which is kind of preventing the whole point of a stop loss. So you need to set your limit order usually a little bit lower than where your stop price is at. So if I set this at 10,100, and then I put in my amount of BTC. I want to sell all of my BTC if this happens, because if we drop below 10,139, there's a good chance we're coming down to 10,000, and I believe there's a good chance we could sell right through 10,000 and continue lower. So a lot of times I'll set a stop loss before I go to bed. This protects me from suffering a 10, 20, even a 30, 40% loss while I'm asleep. I hit sell BTC. Now it says if the last price drops to or below 10,139.47, in order to sell 0.002056 BTC at a price of 10,100 US dollars will be placed. I love how Binance breaks it down and gives you a very straightforward explanation of exactly what you're doing before you go ahead and set your stop loss order. So I'll hit the yes button. It says succeed. Now you can see I have an open order. It shows me the date and the time, the currency pairings that I am trying to execute this transaction on. It shows that this is a stop limit order and that I am trying to sell. And the limit order price is at 10,100. It doesn't, oh, here we go. The trigger conditions, it shows if we are less than or equal to $10,139.47, that the stop limit will be triggered. And there you have it. There's how to set a stop loss on Binance. Now, let's go through another scenario. We run a paid membership group on Facebook where we advise cryptocurrency traders on where to buy, where to set your stop losses, and we also offer you profit targets. Now, Sometimes we will say if Bitcoin comes above 11,000, we want to buy. So the way you can make sure that you get in on this action is that you put in a stop at 11,000. I know the terminology of saying a stop buy, it can be kind of confusing, but I will try to break it down to you the best as I can. If I put in this stop buy at 10,000 and say I'm willing to pay up to 10,000, or I'm sorry, if I put in the stop buy at 11,000 and say I'm willing to buy it up to $11,050, let me cancel my old order so that it will let me make this. Okay, so I want to use I don't have any US dollars in my Binance account right now. I'm holding a couple different coins. If you guys are wanting to know what coins, feel free to send us an email at thekingsofcrypto@gmail.com. We would be happy to go ahead and send you information on joining our cryptocurrency trading community. But let's say I want to buy one whole Bitcoin if we break over the price of 11,000. What I would do is I'd hit buy BTC and it will give me a notice that says if the current price of BTC hits $11,000, you will place an order to buy one BTC at up to $11,050. So there you have it. There is how to set stop limit orders on Binance. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. We would love to have you guys join our cryptocurrency trading community. A little fun fact that I like to tell my guys is that if you have $1,000 you are investing into cryptocurrency and you are able to make a 2% return every day, in 1 year you will have $1.37 million. Now yesterday I advised our traders to make a trade on Bitcoin that ended up giving our community a 3% gain. That's an awesome return. If we took that same $1,000 and made a 3% return every day for 365 consecutive days, then you would end up with $48 million after 1 year. If you guys are interested in joining our trading community, make sure to send me an email, thekingsofcrypto@gmail.com. This is Josh Wally, and I will catch you guys next time.